Hello everyone, welcome back to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. In today's video, we're focusing on the Malaysian crude palm oil (CPO) futures market, which has been experiencing a notable downtrend. As of November 22, Malaysian CPO futures have continued their slide for the third consecutive session. This marks not only a sustained daily decline but also sets the stage for a second straight week of losses. The primary driver behind this downward movement is the weakness observed in competing edible oils on the Dalian Commodity Exchange. Let's delve into the specifics. The benchmark palm oil contract for February delivery on the Bursa Malaysia Derivatives Exchange dropped by 61 ringgit, or about 1.28%, settling at 4,711 ringgit per metric ton during early trading hours. Over in China, Dalian's most active soy oil contract decreased by 1.15%, and its palm oil counterpart fell by 1.01%. Meanwhile, soy oil prices on the Chicago Board of Trade saw a marginal uptick of 0.09%. It's important to understand that palm oil prices are closely linked to the movements of other edible oils due to their competition in the global vegetable oils market. The slump in Dalian's edible oil prices has a ripple effect, putting additional pressure on Malaysian palm oil futures. Adding another layer to the market dynamics are geopolitical tensions that have influenced investor sentiment. Crude oil prices have risen in response to Russia's recent military actions involving a ballistic missile fired at Ukraine, along with warnings of potential escalation. Higher crude oil prices can make palm oil more attractive as a feedstock for biodiesel production, offering some support to its market. Currency fluctuations are also playing a significant role. The Malaysian ringgit has weakened by 0.2% against the US dollar. A softer ringgit makes palm oil cheaper for foreign buyers, which could potentially bolster demand and cushion the price decline. On the supply side, Indonesia, the world's largest palm oil producer, reported an increase in its palm oil inventories for September. This rise is attributed to a combination of lower export figures, reduced domestic consumption, and a slight uptick in production, according to data from the Indonesian Palm Oil Association, GAPKI. As we navigate these complex factors, traders are keeping a close eye on external cues. Developments in the edible oils market and ongoing geopolitical events are expected to significantly influence near-term price movements. Thank you for tuning in to Ajayastro Mini Guru. We hope this analysis provides valuable insights into the current state of the Malaysian CPO futures market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and expert analysis on commodities. Until next time, stay informed and make wise investment decisions.